Community questions opaque finances at BNB Chain protocol Venus. The largest DeFi money market on Binance's blockchain Venus finances a curious book, a string of events put it at risk of overexposure to assets from hacks and bridge exploits. For example, Venus considers some $250 million worth of stolen Binance coin to be part of its so-called total value locked. Today, it claims to possess roughly $950 million worth of total value locked within Binance's smart chain ecosystem, inclusive of those illegitimate funds. While large, the figure is 85% below its May 2021 high of $7 billion. Community members have accused Venus Protocol of hiding some of its liabilities as well. Venus only operates in the Binance ecosystem, but hasn't stopped it from issuing a flurry of tokens. Venus is as complicated as the labyrinth of companies that compose Binance itself. Venus has no less than 3 proprietary tokens: Venus, Venus Reward Token, and VI. It also issues 4 wrapped versions of third-party stablecoins: Venus USD Coin, Venus Binance USD, Venus Tether, and Venus DAI. It also wraps at least a dozen popular assets, including Venus Bitcoin, Venus Ether, Venus Litecoin, Binance Coin, Venus Doge, Venus XRP, and many others. Some of the bad debt that finances Venus. In addition to holding the multi-$100 million proceeds of one of the world's largest thefts, Venus has also collected other forms of tainted collateral. All the way back in 2021, the main Venus token whipsawed within 6 hours and caused $200 million in Venus Protocol liquidations. Specifically, on May 18th, the Venus token round-tripped from $76 to $143 to $76. Those liquidations left it with $100 million in bad debt. Nowadays, Venus token is trading under $6. Most of that bad debt used Venus tokens as collateral to take loans from Venus. Debtors simply defaulted on their Venus token-backed loans altogether, escaping with the loaned finances rather than reclaiming their Venus posted as collateral. The block researcher Igor Agambiev suspected market manipulation involving large Venus holders who had posted their tokens as collateral for significant Tether, USD Coin, and Binance USD loans that they never intended to repay. Venus's third quarter 2022 report indicated 1,619 insolvent accounts, worth $51.3 million, but otherwise didn't provide a breakdown of liabilities. It remained tight-lipped on outstanding financial obligations, disclosing a long-lasting issue with something called Auto Farm, and that it admitted was 15% unresolved. Most concerningly, Venus hasn't released an official financial report to its community for the last 2 quarters. Venus simply pointed to a third-party Q4 report by an independent Missouri researcher, which overlooked Venus's hundreds of millions of dollars in stolen funds from the build smart chain hack. Some insiders are already fleeing to safety. On March 2nd, someone withdrew $21.4 million of Binance Peg stablecoin Binance USD from Venus and deposited all of it into Binance. On March 11th, a wallet labeled Justin Sun redeemed 1 million Binance USD Binance Pegged USD coin from Venus. Venus founder Joselito Lizarondo initially attempted to put a positive spin on the whipsaw of May 18, 2021. He noted that the protocol worked as intended and pointed out attempts to generate Venus activity in order to qualify for the Venus Reward Token, VRT, airdrop for Venus holders as of its May 17, 2021 snapshot date. $220 liquidation price on Binance Coin. To sum up, in February 2023, a researcher predicted Venus could be in trouble again if any finances caused Binance Coin to drop below $220. In a close encounter, Binance Coin recently dipped to $265 on March 9, 2023. That price level, which rises slowly over time, could have triggered one of the largest auto liquidations in the history of DeFi. That researcher cited the same build bridge exploit that fraudulently minted 2 million Binance Coin on October 7, 2022. The exploiter deposited 900,000 Binance Coin into Venus Protocol to use as loan collateral and withdrew Tether, USD Coin, and Binance USD. It's possible that Venus Protocol might hide off-balance sheet or otherwise negative financials in its accounting. It was hit hard by bad loans in May 2021, as hackers used its lending platform to launder funds after one of the largest crypto thefts in history. For more informed news, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Google News, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.